checking a file exists, and ignoring case, in Python. I have a Python script and I want to check if a file exists, but I want to ignore case. E.g., the directory may look like this /path/to/file.log, but the above should still return true.
Generate one-time a set S of all absolute paths in the file system using os.walk, lowering them all as you collect them using str.lower. Iterate through your large list of paths to check for existing, checking with ifmy_path.lower in S. Optional, go and interrogate whoever provided you the list with inconsistent cases. It sounds like an XI problem, there may be some strange reason for this and an easier layout.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.